A 1,200 square meters villa, 5 floors, mid-construction. What they fear most is not remeasuring, but that every time they check the data it differs. For renovation projects like this, traditional measurement methods usually require teams of 2, on-site measurement and recording takes about 5 to 6 hours. Large area, floors, irregular structures. Manual measurement is time-consuming, and many complex locations are hard to capture accurately in one go. With 3D LiDAR scanning, the site can be fully captured as point cloud data, creating a more intuitive spatial digital baseline for construction verification. When verification of dimensions, inspection of structural relationships, and confirmation of construction positions are needed, they can go directly back to the point cloud model to cross-check, no longer relying repeatedly on on-site notes and photos. For contractors, designers, and third-party auditors, point cloud data provides one unified on-site reference, reducing repeated remeasurement, redundant communication, and data discrepancies across parties, especially for irregular structures, multi-floor relationships, and construction details. The digital baseline created through scanning makes later verification more efficient and is easier to communicate. For complex construction verification, it is not just about taking measurements. More importantly, it gives all project parties a single source of real on-site data to move forward with.